Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Today I'll be showing you the ways to get Instagram account back. So in order to get your Instagram account back, there are several different ways to do it. So make sure to stick with us right till the end and follow the instructions guided. If your Instagram account was disabled, you'll see a message telling when you try to log in into your account that does not follow the community guidelines, then it might have been disabled. So if your account was disabled, then it's gonna take a certain period of days or number of days in order to enable it or to reactivate your account. So that's only going to happen when you contact the support team. If you try any of the shortcut method, you'll not be able to recover your account. So what you can do is, in that case, you can simply wait for a couple of days or maybe an hour, and after that you can try logging into your account, and that might be able to fix the issue. If you think your account was disabled by mistake, you may be able to contact the support team by opening the app, entering your username and a password, following the on-screen instructions, such as you can just go ahead and enter in your information and tap the login button, and you might be able to see a confirmation stating that your account has been disabled. And underneath you can also see help or contact us. You can just go ahead and tap the help or contact us button. As soon as you do that, next page you can just type in the detailed information, what you're actually trying to say, and they'll look into your matter within 24 to 48 hours. Apart from it, if you also don't see a disabled message, you may be experiencing a login issue. If your account was deleted by you or someone with your password, there is no way to restore it. So you can just go ahead and create a new account with the same email address, but you may not be able to get the same username at the same time. And if you think that you've forgotten your information, such as your username and a password, then what you can do is you can simply restore it by tapping on forgot your password. After that, you'll be asked to provide in the email address or the contact info. Once you do that, a verification or an OTP will be sent. Once you do that, you'll be able to recover your account. And if someone has gained access to your account or you're unable to log in into your account, you can just visit the support team on your desktop or mobile browser to secure your account. So you can just go to www.instagram support and you can just contact the support team, state about the issue, and make sure to provide in all of the contact details such as your username, your password, and all that. They'll look into your matter within 24 hours. So these were some of the ways to get your Instagram account back. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.